Most student-managed funds are, I would say, investment clubs with a student-managed fund label on them, meaning that the students have very little faculty oversight and very little connection with the business community, and may or may not even have real money to work with. So the key differences we have is we have real money from investors that we're accountable to. We are making real live investment decisions based on this money, and the students see the consequences of that day to day and how the securities are priced.
They have tactile use and knowledge of the tools that actually get used in the asset management business. We hired a young woman to join our fixed income team, and she was able to step right in and be operational day one because she had been actually using all the tools that we use here at the program.
What I think the value of the Funds Enterprise is, you're taking that work that you've learned how to do in the classroom and that you're refining both in the classroom and in the Funds Enterprise, but you're using that work to make decisions with real money that affect real investors. And there's a level of getting comfortable with decision making and just learning to be decisive and have to pull the trigger on those sorts of things that you can't get in the classroom. And that I think, even still in the workforce, you see people who really struggle to make the big decisions. You have to get comfort with that at some point, and getting comfort with that before you enter the workforce, I think, is a real benefit that students can take away.
Well, we've frequently had Funds Enterprise students working with us, either on internships or whenever there was an opportunity. We would certainly always talk to Funds Enterprise students, primarily because they come in, first of all, with all the tools that they need to manage money on a professional level. They understand how the markets work, they understand how Bloomberg works, how FactSet works, everything that you need to bring to bear on the decision-making process the Carlson Funds Enterprise students have had experience with. But more important than that, they can then take those tools and sort of raise the bar a little bit. The students that we've had just do an incredible job of understanding what's going on in your business. So they're able to take their experience but then figure out, how does this apply to the investment problem that this company is facing.
The ability to actually have to make real life decisions with real corporate money, I think is unique and causes the students to be trained differently than they might if they were just managing university funds.